Imagine turning just $100 into 1,000. No shortcuts, no luck, no gambling. Just a simple strategy that almost nobody talks about. Yeah, I thought so too. But then I actually tried it. I started with $100. No experience, no mentor. Just YouTube videos and confusion. My first trade? I made $12. And I thought, this is easy. Big mistake. The next day, I lost $80. Just like that. No warning, no second chance. And that's when I realized trading is not about making money. It's about not losing it. That moment changed everything. I stopped chasing profits and started learning how the market actually works. I didn't use complicated indicators, no fancy setups, just three simple things: trend, support and resistance, and patience. If the market is going up, I look for buying opportunities. If it's going down, I look for selling opportunities. Simple, but powerful. Support is where price tends to bounce up. Resistance is where price struggles to go higher. These levels are where smart traders act. I don't enter blindly. I wait, I watch, and only trade when the setup is clear. This is where most beginners fail. Risk management. Listen carefully. If you ignore this, you will lose money. I never risk more than 2% per trade. With $100, that's just $2. Even if I lose 5 trades in a row, I still survive. And that's the
Goal: survival first, profit later. I stopped aiming for big wins. Instead, I focused on small, consistent profits. $5, $10, every single day. As my account grew, so did my profits. That's when I moved to the next level. Now the goal was $50 per day. With a $500 account, risking 2% and targeting a 1-to-2 ratio, this became possible. But here's the truth. Not every day is profit. Some days you lose. And that's okay. I made every mistake you can imagine. Overtrading, revenge trading, following random signals. And every time, the market punished me. Trading doesn't reward emotion. It rewards discipline.